Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá èèmọ̀rẹ́ o àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n try láti protest lórí àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ládámọ́wá lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ìṣe làwọn sọ́jà sí náà kọ fún wọn èmi kọ́ ọmọ sọ fún ọ̀rọ̀ very dark man ni torí àwọn àtàwọn àjókòó jẹ́jẹ́ ní àṣìṣe wa àwa ni problem àwọn tó wà ní ogbó tí wọ́n ń já àwọn èèyàn gbé tí wọ́n ń pa àwọn èèyàn lẹ́kú tí wọ́n ń rọ́ọ̀bù lójoojúmọ́ tí wọ́n ń jalè àwọn ò ní problem lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ lóko òní wọ́n ṣe ilé ayé wọn àmọ́ àwọn làwọn èèyàn lè máa intimidate o àwọn làwọn èèyàn lè máa rajúmọ́ àmọ́ nínú ogbó àwọn tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn wọn rí kankan tí wọ́n ṣe fún ọ ládámọ́wá lánàá on the 9 oṣù kejìlá 2025 ó làwọn kan lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ onú wọn níbi táwọn sójà wà àwọn obìnrin ní ọ̀dàpọ̀tà bí wọ́n ṣe sí náà mọ́ fún wọn lò àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ní wọ́n pa ń bẹ̀ according to report bóyá bí èèyàn mẹ́jọ ò ní wọ́n pa ládámọ́wá lánàá kí ló dé àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbé nùlù àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé innocent ni wọ́n ṣé kí wọ́n máa wòran wọ́n máa jí àwọn èèyàn gbé ni torí kò yé mi o ṣé kí wọ́n máa wòran káyà àwọn ọmọ wọn máa bàjẹ́ ni tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá wá solution sí problem dání lórí Nàìjíríà kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ̀ hàn máwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń tẹ̀ láti bẹ̀wò ní wọn ẹ̀yin náà wá wò bí wọ́n ṣe fa àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀yin náà wẹ́ ṣe ẹ̀jẹ̀ gbogbo ayé orí má sọ pé ọkọ̀ ọ̀gẹ́ ṣe bí Adámáwá ni níjọ́jọ́ kan mọ̀lẹ́bí rẹ ọmọ ìṣe lọ orúkọ mi ò yí padà pàtẹ́kùn kò yẹ ẹ fọ́lọ̀ péjì kẹ̀dẹ̀ láìpẹ́ ẹ ṣe.
Come. One house. Yo, what is this now?
One house.
Likewise, you can see the blood spots here.
Yes, I've checked
the women were dancing with leaves. They do not say anything, nothing. We did not even touch their car because we were like the military. They are not people to joke with. Since we are women and we are just dancing with leaves in our hands, no need to even touch the military. Before we realized, they just fire. The last car that even came, the last 2 cars that came, the other soldier at the back, they were trucks. The other soldier that was standing holding up, he was hitting the car. They go. Because I was in my shop at first. Their truck. He was hitting the car that they go. He wanted to just come and bump on the women. But the driver was telling that be careful. I now started recording. The driver now told me that why am I recording there? I said sorry, so I now turned back to this side. I stood there. Before I realized, the other one that came, his blood was very hot. Yeah. He just bent on his knee and said at the women as if they are not human beings. He did not even point it up. The other one at the back, quite already, the gun was up, so he pointed it up. But this one, he just said women.
And then he shot.
He shot him. And not the only one person shoot. Not the only one person shoot, as if they were not women. Even children. Little children, oh.
It's quite unfortunate that this happened, but I still have more questions. Please, more questions.
One house.
So, when you people started your protest, was there any army present when you started the protest?
Yes.
How many? Just one car. How many trucks was here?
One.
Just one?
Yes.
Where did they come from? From here or from here?
From Yola.
So they came in from here?
Yes.
Where were you people standing?
We were standing here.
You people were standing here?
Here.
So, naturally, where they came in from, they are supposed to go from there. So you are not even blocking their road to leave.
No.
So you people were just here protesting, and then they just came.
Yes.
How many other trucks came?
2 extra 2 came towards this side and 4 came because those 4 they came early in the morning.
Okay.
Those 2 4. So they passed in the morning. Those 4 they passed in the morning. So that time women have not yet come out to protest or do anything. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, so the first truck that was here, did they have that big gun on it?
No, it was not having.
So the first truck did not have the big gun?
Yes.
It's the other trucks that came later that had that big gun?
Yes. And as that one came, he was even asking the police that were there that, where is our commander? The police was now showing him the police commander. He now said, no, not your commander, our commander. He now said that he's part of those people that came in the morning that came and started and were taking coke, even laughing at the women.
What time did this protest start?
It started in the morning by 6.
So that means the soldiers were here before 6 a.m.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday, please. Yesterday, I heard you people. I saw a video that you people had a mass burial.
Yes, sir.
Can we go to the place? Or
Yes, sir.
Is it far?
No.
Please,